Hello friends, how are you? In this video we'll discuss about the implementation of L'Hopital's rule using the SymPy and Python. Now already you know the L'Hopital's rule. If f and g are differentiable and fp is equal to gp is equal to 0, then limit extends to p fx by gx is equal to limit extends to p f dash x by g dash x. So provided the limit of the right exists. Okay, now you can see the example one by one. So limit x tends to 0, e to the power 2x minus 1 by x. So the answer is what? Here output will be the 2. So how to execute it? So from SymPy import asterisk. So this is the x and y are the symbols. Okay, and for this particular here after limit e to the power, you can see here e to the power 2x minus 1, okay, by x. And here you have to provide x and as well as the 0 because it is tends to 0. Okay, x tends to 0. Similarly, limit x tends to 0, tan x by x, output will be 1. So here limit tan x by x, okay, and x tends to 0. So here e to the power x minus 1 divided by x square is equal to 1 by 2. So limit x tends to 0. So for that limit e to the power x minus 1 minus x divided by x square, okay, and here x tends to 0. Similarly, x tends to infinite. So here ln x divided by square root of x. So ln x divided by square root of x, and here x tends to infinite. So here you use double zero, small 0 0. Okay, you can see here it is nothing but double O. Sorry, so it is nothing but double O, not 0. Now limit x tends to infinite, x plus 1 by x to the power x is equal to e. So limit x so here it should be x by, here it should be x not 1. Here you have to put be x plus 1 by x to the power x. Okay, x tends to infinite, and here x tends to 1. Ln x by x square minus 1, it is 1 by 2. So limit ln x by x square minus 1 and x tends to 1. Okay, you can see x tends to 1. Similarly, limit x tends to 0 plus, okay, 1 plus x to the power x is equal to, the answer is e. So here we have to implement 1 by 1 plus x to the power 1 by x. Okay, so here it may be the 1 by x. We can write it 1 by x. Okay, and it is what x tends to 0 plus o plus. And finally, limit x tends to 1 minus, so cos inverse x by x minus 1, so it doesn't exist. So limit x cos inverse 1 by x minus 1, and x is what? X tends to 1 minus. Finally, another example, limit x tends to infinite, 5x plus cos x by 5, it is, answer is 5. So limit x 5x into cos x divided by x, okay, and x tends to infinite. Okay, so we can run it and we can see the result. So these are the problem. Now here it should be x, it should not be the, okay, and we can execute it and we can see the result one by one. Okay, so here we can see the result one by one. So the first one is what we can see here. So first one is, this one is the first one, the answer is 2. You can see the 2. Next is what? Next is what? It is tan x by x. Okay, you can see here, you can see. So tan x by x. Okay, now the output is what? That for the tan x by x, it is output for the second, it is what? It is 1. So it is 1 here. We can see here. Third one is what? So this is the third one where answer is 1 by 2. So this is the third one. We can see the third one. Okay, limit e to the power x minus 1 by x square, and here x tends to 0. Similarly, for the fourth one, the answer is what? It is 0. And for the fifth one, okay, for the fifth one it is infinite. Okay, so for the fifth one it should be the infinite. Okay, and for the sixth one we can see, for the sixth one we can see this is what this is the input value. Okay, so ln x by x square minus 1, so x tends to 1. Here x tends to 0 plus, here x tends to 1, x tends to 1 minus, and here x tends to infinite. And we can see the different results. So at the 8th it is what? Doesn't exist. So here the output is what? Minus infinite. And for the fifth one, for the fifth case, the output is 5. Okay, And this is the end of this particular video. Now actually I'm not the mathematician, I don't know whether this answers are correct or not, so you can say these are correct or not, but SymPy gives result according to this. Okay,